How's it going, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to know if you need new tires by using the penny method. Because what I just recently got is a set of Goodyear all-season tires. I just had my tires replaced, and I used the penny method to tell me whether I needed tires or not. So let me show you what I mean by that. So if you look at the top of a penny, you see Lincoln's head there. You know, these were the Achilles tires. I'm going to check the tread depth on these. So what I'm going to do, I need to see if it covers up to Lincoln's head right there. So you see my tread pattern there? Well, everybody, I don't know if you can see that, but this has almost no tread, and trust me, it drove like there was no tread on there. I was like on ice skates. Every time it would rain, this thing would hydroplane very well, and it actually wore pretty good to be over like maybe 6-7 years between changes here. You can see how this has no, the head is completely exposed. Actually, look, you can run it this way. Now let's check the actual tire itself here. I don't know if you can see it in there. So here's the tread, same area. Notice the Lincoln's head is completely gone. So these tires are perfect. I would say they don't need to be replaced. I can usually just look at a tire and tell you whether it needs to be replaced or not, but for anybody that doesn't know, get you a little penny out and just stick on your tread, and that'll let you know when you need to change tires. There's like a go, no-go zone there. And just going over these Goodyear all-season tires, these things are very quiet. They seem to be good at about everything. I have about maybe 300, 400 miles on these already, and I have the old tire. I just wanted to show you that I took off to show you how rough a shape this thing was in. Let me just kind of break down how you kind of read a tire, or how I read a tire anyway, which I'm not like an expert by no means. But number one, you got your tire size here. So this is a 235 by 60 by R16. So this is a 16-inch rim. It's 235 by 60 that way. And the tread wear is all, and this is usually good. This is usually on every tire. Tread wear on this tire is 600, so you want to go between 100 and 1,000. So 600 is what I would consider right in the middle. Obviously 1,000 is going to be better, but then 600 is where affordable for me anyway, is right in the middle. And traction is A, which obviously A is the best, and temperature is A, is high temperature. And then you go over here, here's the DO, the Department of Transportation, so that's the DOT number. All tires have to have that. And then you'll always see on there your max load, 800 kg, and that's 1,764 pounds per tire times 4. And then you've got max pressure, 350 kPa, which is 51 psi. And I think I'm running 38 psi in these tires. And then this M+S right here is the like weather. So that's severe weather, that it has been tested in severe weather. And that's pretty much everything. And there is also like a little breakdown. You know, this is tread pattern, the plies is the polyurethane and all that. You got the ply pattern on there. But that's pretty much everything I look at when I'm shopping for a tire. And these Goodyear all-season tires fit exactly what I need at an affordable price. These Goodyear tires on my car. Let's run these things for another 100,000 miles. Maybe less, maybe more. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Goodyear all-season tires using the penny method and kind of a breakdown knowledge of the tire. See y'all in the next video.